The purpose of filming the medieval castle in the initial part of the video, beyond showing its greatness and beauty, is to let you understand the walking distance from there to this nice property. It's definitely an opportunity you cannot miss, since it is sellable with the option rent to buy. This property is located precisely in the lower part of the old town of Carini. And by walk it's possible to enjoy the presence of many amenities. If, for example, you want to reach the main square of the whole town by walk, it takes just 15 minutes. Same story about the castle and Miramare. Miramare, I remind you, it's that crazy place from where it's possible to enjoy an amazing view. By the way, here, there's this dog waiting for us. Unfortunately today, I wasn't able to take Rocky with me. But on afternoon, we recovered by having a nice walk. Basically, this property owns two entrances. By taking the door on the right, we immediately have this long storage room, or at least this is the current use of this room. Instead, by taking the big door on the left, we have this big kitchen living room with the vaulted ceiling. First of all, I want to highlight the quality of the floor. Indeed, the tiles are made in marble, very beautiful and solid. Here on the left, the bathroom, that unfortunately at the moment is not equipped with a shower, but eventually it's possible to set it up or to make the entire bathroom new. It's up to you. In general, let me tell, don't worry about doing the works, since I deal with the right people. Here the first bedroom of this independent apartment with the vaulted ceiling. On the right, the biggest bedroom of the property. As you can see, the vaulted ceilings are present everywhere here. And from here we have the view of the opposite part of the storage room. Talking about the water and the electric systems, I must say that they work perfectly. So if, for example, you look for a holiday home to spend the summer in Sicily, this property will be very suitable to you, since it's enough to restore the bathroom and placing a kitchen here. Instead, if you want to put on a more comfortable property, in that case will be necessary to intervene structurally talking, for example by removing this wall to enlarge the biggest bedroom of the house. Also, it's quietly possible to put here a wall. In this way you can divide the storage room. Nothing serious. Simply, these works represent a charge. A final view of the facade of this property that, as you can see, is in perfect condition. And from Carini and this lovely dog, it's all.